Hello guys, today we are going to be learning about input in C++. Yes, input in C++, where we are going to be taking information or data from the user and manipulating it in C++. So let's hit the code. Today what we want to do is quite simple. We want to take the first name, we want to take the last name, and we want to take the age of the user. Not you entering it yourself, but the user entering it. And after the user is done entering it, we can manipulate it and output something meaningful for the user. So let's hit the code. So first of all, we are going to declare some variables: first name, last name, and the age. So let's start. So I want to say string first name, comma, and last name, and int age, like this. And so now we are done declaring our variables with no values in them, and now we are going to now prompt the user to enter his or her details. So we say cout please enter your first name, and now we are going to take the input from the user and store it in one of the variables. So surely this is the first name, we are going to store in the first name variable. Taking input from a user is not difficult in C++, it's very simple. You use the cin and the greater than symbol, two of them, and where you want to store that information. So we are storing in first name, so we put first name over there. Then we go on and do the same thing for the two other variables remaining. So we say cout again, please enter last. We do the same. So now we are done taking all the input from the user, and we want to give the user something meaningful. I want to display something meaningful to the user. So we are going to display the name of the user and the age of the user. So if you followed our last tutorials, variables in C++ and how to work with variables in C++, we learned how to actually display one or two or more variables in C++. So that's the same logic we are going to be using over here, where we say cout your name is first name. Make sure you bring that space, very important. Name. We end the line. You can end the line with a backslash and n, and on the next line we are saying you and the age. Yes, old full stop. And we are done. So when we run this code, we should be able to get input from the user and display the name and the age of the user. So yeah, first name, I'll enter Elom, last name, Madraki, age, let's say 20, and your name is Elom Madraki, you are 20 years old. If this video was informative and educative, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share.